My name is Sarfaraz Ahmed. I'm your personality development teacher. In last class we have discussed about personality. Let's talk about personality development. So personality development is actually the development from the organized pattern of attitude and behaviors which makes an individual distinctive. Let's talk about the things to enhance your personality. First, do not compare your life with other. If you are going to compare your lifestyle with some other person, so your personality is not going to be true. First, you need to be check yourself and do not compare yourself. Second point, do not have negative thoughts or things you cannot control. You need to avoid whatever things you can say things are negative in yourself. Just control these things. Instead, invest your energy in positive moment, or you can invest your energy in positive moment as well. Third point is, do not waste your precious energy on gossip. You need to focus whatever you want to do. Do not waste your precious energy or time on gossips. Let's talk about fourth point. Do not criticize, condemn or complain. If you are not feeling good about someone or you want to criticize, so do not criticize or condemn or complain whatever you think that these points are wrong. Fifth point, give honest and sincere appreciation. If you just want to give some kind of appreciation to someone, your appreciation should be honest and sincere. Let's talk about the sixth point. Become genuinely interested in other people. If you are talking to someone, you need to be very much interested in that person. If you are not that much interested in that person and that person is just saying something, so you are not going to understand whatever that person just want to say. Be a good listener. This is one of the important things you need to cover up. Be a good listener. If you want to be a good speaker, or if you want to say that your communication should be that much good, first you need to be a good listener. 8 point, encourage others to talk about themselves. If you are talking to someone and you just talking to yourself, first you need to think about these things. Encourage others to talk about themselves as well. 9 point, show respect for the other person opinions. If you are just putting some opinions, you need to first focus on other person opinion as well. This point is going to improve your personality as well. Never say you are wrong. If you are talking to someone, never say you are wrong. 11th point, if you are wrong, admit it quickly and empathetically. If you feel that you are wrong, so just accept this thing very quickly. 12th point, begin in a friendly way. If you are talking to someone or if you are just going to start a conversation, begin that conversation in a friendly way. Last point, and this is one of the important points we can say, smile. So smile is a cure of every problem, you can say. So whenever you are just talking to someone or if you are in between conversation, you need to feel like a smile. Your face should be smiley. So these all points we can say enhance your personality. So that's all for today. We will discuss some other point in next classes.